Add oil. Add onion 4, small size. Ginger garlic paste 2 spoon. Fry it for 5 minutes. Add 2 tomato and green chili for paste. Coriander powder 1 spoon. Haldi 1 spoon. Salt according to taste. Chicken powder. Black pepper 1 spoon. Garam masala 1 spoon. Lal mirch a half spoon. Add moong ki dal and cook 15 minutes. Water 1 glass. Cook for 7 minutes. Add oil in pan. Coriander, peppermint, curry leaves, ginger, green chili, white cumin. Fry white cumin. Add ginger. Ready to eat.